Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about the SAR value, or more commonly known as SAR value of any mobile phone. If you go and look up at the detail or full specifications of any mobile phone, you will find this SAR value is mentioned over there. So guys, in this video, let's talk about this SAR value in detail and how this SAR value affects human body. And also guys, we will talk about the big debate that whether smartphone usage leads to cancer or not. So guys, it's Ranga here and you are watching Tech Spot. Let's get started. So guys, before getting started, let us take a look at the definition of what this SR value is. So according to Wikipedia, the specific absorption rate or SAR is a measure of the rate at which energy is absorbed per unit mass by a human body when it is exposed to radio frequency electromagnetic field. So yes, some of you would have understood this definition, but most of you would not have understood this. So let me explain it in easy words for you guys. So whenever a human body is placed in an electromagnetic field, the tissues of human body has an ability to absorb these waves. So the SAR value is a measure of how much amount of energy or how much amount of waves the human tissue absorbs. So guys, yes, now you will be asking what this has got to do with mobile phones. Guys, your mobile phone uses mobile network or Wi-Fi, and these all are actually electromagnetic waves. So basically your mobile phone has an ability to send and receive electromagnetic waves. So whenever your mobile phone sends or receives electromagnetic waves or signals, there is always some loss occurs and some waves are actually absorbed by the human body. So guys, now let's talk about what actually happens if these waves enter human body. Actually, these electromagnetic waves are found to be carcinogenic, which means that these waves have an ability to cause cancer. And that's the reason why there are a lot of safety measures set up, and different countries have different guidelines for this SAR value, and each and every mobile phone launching in that country should abide by those guidelines. And as far as India is concerned, the maximum allowed SAR value is 1.6 watts per kilogram. And again guys, for your information, this SAR value is actually measured in two different parts. One is the head and other is the body. The head SAR value refers to the amount of radiation absorbed by the brain tissue whenever you place your phone near your head, or whenever you take a call, you place it near your head and your brain tissues tend to absorb some radiations. And the body SAR value refers to the amount of radiation absorbed by the body when you place it in your pocket or anywhere near your body. And guys, with that said, actually researchers are saying that the amount of radiations emitted or received by a smartphone are actually harmless to human health. Though the EM waves have a ability to cause cancer, the amount of radiation is very small in mobile phones and they are actually not any harmful. So guys, there is no concrete proof for the fact that smartphone usage leads to cancer. And again guys, there is no concrete proof against the fact that smartphone usage leads to cancer. It is still what to say in midway researchers are going and it is not yet fully determined. However guys, this is just a safety tip for you. If you are gonna take long calls like what is a half an hour or 1 hour, it is always advised to use the earphones or headphones rather than directly taking the call from your mobile phone itself. And now guys, you will be having a doubt about how this SAR value is actually measured. Guys, to measure this SAR value, there are specifically designed laboratories and dummy human bodies are used, and these dummy human bodies are filled with fluids inside, and these fluids closely resemble human tissues. What they do is they take a mobile phone and they place it near this dummy human body in different position. They place it near the head and the body and they do some calculations and the SAR value is calculated. And guys, again, the SAR value mentioned by any mobile manufacturer on the box is the maximum amount of radiation that human body can absorb. That is, I would say it's the worst operating case, it's the worst case possible, and the normal amount of radiation absorbed would be much lesser than what they mentioned in the box. It is just the worst case scenario possible. But guys, the lesser the SAR value is, the maximum amount of radiation absorbed by the human body is lesser, which means the device is comparatively safer. So guys, that's it for now. Hope you would have found this video useful. Hope it would have been informative for you. So if you like this video, do hit on the like button. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos. And guys, my YouTube channel is just getting started. So I know it needs a lot of improvement, a lot of development. So put your thoughts on the comment section on what to improve and how to improve. And guys, support guys. Thank you. So guys, that's it for now. I will meet you in my next video. Till then guys, take care. Thank you.